In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image alignment in Notion. When you're working on a Notion page, images are a big part of making your content look clean and professional. Maybe you're building a portfolio, documenting a project, or just trying to make your notes easier to read. Knowing how to quickly adjust the alignment of your images can really improve how your page feels and how others experience it. First, open the Notion page where your image is located. If you don't already have an image in your page, you can add one by using the / command and choosing to upload or paste an image. Once the image is visible on the page, move your mouse over it. As you hover over the image, you'll see a small toolbar appear, usually near the top or bottom of the image. On this mini toolbar, look for the alignment icon. This is typically represented by small horizontal lines or a layout style icon that suggests left, center, or right positioning. Click directly on that alignment icon. When you do, Notion will cycle through the available alignment options for that image. You might see the image snap to the left side of the page, move to the center, or shift to the right. In some layouts, especially in wider pages or when using multiple columns, you may notice that alignment also affects how text wraps around the image or how the image relates to other blocks. Take a moment to click the alignment icon a few times so you can see how each setting looks in your specific page. Once you find the alignment that best fits your content, simply move your mouse away and continue editing your page as usual. There's no save button for this. Notion updates the alignment automatically as soon as you click the icon. A quick tip: if your image doesn't seem to align exactly how you expect, check whether it's inside a column, a callout, or another nested block. The surrounding layout can influence how alignment behaves. You can always drag the image to a different position on the page first, and then adjust the alignment using the same icon. That's all there is to it. By hovering over the image, clicking the alignment icon, and cycling through the options, you can quickly control how your images are positioned in Notion and create pages that are clearer, more balanced, and visually appealing.